As a full-time artist, I'm always on the lookout for a way to sell my work online that's easy. And this particular method doesn't require any followers, which is what makes it so awesome. So if you're just starting out trying to sell your work, this will work for you. Okay, the first part of this is you have to know who your audience is, who you think are going to be buying your work. For me, I have people who are interested in animals. This piece back there is a painting I have in process. It looks kind of like a ghost cat right now, but eventually it will be a rainbow cat. But the thing is that my people are interested in animals. In this particular case, they're interested in cats. And so one of the great things that you can do as an artist is find groups on Facebook, and you can do this from your private profile. You don't need a business profile or anything like that. You can also do it from your business profile if you have one. So it works either way. But you go into Facebook groups and you don't just post pictures of your work and say it's for sale, because the admins won't let you do it in most cases. And so this is something that a lot of people think they can do, but it's really not allowed. You have to be a little more covert than that. And so if you post something, let's say a picture of your cat or anything, maybe something like, hey, I'm working on this painting and I would love to hear feedback from other people who own this type of animal, something like that, something that's not covertly salesy, but might indicate that you are an artist. I've also had success posting a picture of me painting a cat and then saying, hey, I'm looking for more cat models, post your photos below, and I will get like tons and tons of photos because people want free art, or they want to be able to get their cat painted by me, things like that. So it gets a lot of interaction. And interaction is the key here, right? Because you want to be able to have conversations with these people in the comments and then private message them about your artwork being for sale. Because this way you can use the group on Facebook to be able to get access to the people without violating the group rules. And so by doing this, you have access to a wide variety of people that you have never been able to reach out and touch and talk to before. You can pull them in. You can woo them with your social media content that you are regularly posting on either your profile or your business page. You can even reach out to them periodically when you have sales running through private message, and write out the private messages yourself. Don't just spam them with like copy and paste links, because Facebook won't let you get by with that. But if you are reaching out with unique comments each time, or like a video message to each person, people love that. Now, I know you might be thinking this sounds like a whole lot of work, but if you're sitting around at home and you're doing nothing and you're just wishing you could make money as an artist, why not spend your time on something like this that will actually lead to sales? And you're on social media anyway, I know a lot of you are. And so use your time for something that can get you sales. And so by interacting with people in the groups who are in your customer base, you can create a lot of interest in your work. You can get followers. And this is a great way for people, if you are just starting out and you don't have any followers, to start gaining some traction and getting some followers. It's absolutely free. It just takes your time. Next is learning how to leverage automation to be able to promote yourself on social media. This is going to save you so much time. Watch this video. All right, thank you so much for watching. See you next time.